Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the battery replacement process for the HP 3165 NGW, you will need some essential tools. Gather a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static damage to the components. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Start by ensuring your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Disconnect any external devices, then flip the laptop upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Locate the battery release latch, which is typically situated near the center of the laptop's back. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. Make sure to keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently slide the battery cover off using the plastic spudger if needed. This is an important step to access the battery itself. Next, you will see the battery secured in place by additional screws. Carefully remove these screws while holding the battery in place to avoid any sudden movements. If you have any difficulty, check for hidden screws or latches, as sometimes manufacturers place them in less obvious locations. With the screws removed, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Before inserting the new battery, take a moment to clean the internal area. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This helps maintain the laptop's performance and longevity. Now, take your new battery and align it properly in the compartment. Make sure the connectors match up with the laptop's connectors. Press down firmly but gently to secure it in place. Once it's seated correctly, replace the screws that secure the battery. After securing the battery, slide the battery cover back onto the laptop until it clicks into place. Replace the screws for the battery cover, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight to avoid damaging the threads. If you encounter any issues during the process or prefer to have a professional handle it, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. Simply reach out to us. Finally, flip your laptop back over to its normal position. Plug in the power adapter and turn on your HP 3165 NGW. Allow it to boot up completely and check if the battery is recognized correctly in the system settings. If everything is working fine, congratulations on successfully replacing your laptop's battery. To recap, always ensure you have the right tools, clean the internal parts, and handle components with care. Remember, if you need assistance, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. No calls, no travel, it's that easy. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.